Right, welcome to the video for the 500 sub giveaway. As you can see, something arrived today from the magnet store. Box is pretty big, so you get a card. You can put your own YouTube channel on if you've got one. If you don't, then it don't matter. Free card. I can't even get the pulley off. There we go. I'm all stuck to it like usual. There you go. That's what you can win. A 220 magnet store clamp magnet. Brand new out of the box. All shiny. Won't stay shiny for long. There you go. Get the eyelet as well. So all you've got to do to win this magnet is subscribe to my channel, DS Magnet Fishing. Once you've subscribed, put a screenshot in the comments to this video of you subscribing, or that you've already subscribed. And then add, also in the comment section, add the hashtag DSMF sub. If you don't add that, you will not be entered in to win this, because it will go into the comment randomizer selector that everyone uses on YouTube for these competitions, and then hopefully you'll get picked out with the randomizer selector, whatever it does. I'll put this in capitals into the comment selector, so make sure you put it in capitals, because if you don't put it in capitals by mistake, I'm not quite sure what will happen, because I will put this in capitals in the selector. So that's hopefully it'll pick the capitals with that. Yep, so just subscribe to the channel and comment with the screenshot that you've subscribed or that you're already subbed, and then put that hashtag in. I might put it at the bottom of the screen now as well, instead of showing that card up again. Yeah, and if you want anything else from the magnet store, you can either use our code SLACK10 to get you 10% off any order, like rope, gloves, grappling hook, carabiner, magnets, or you can use the code Kiwi10. So there you go. Just comment the hashtag, subscribe to the channel, and there we go. The competition will end on the 11th of August, so I can announce the winner on the night of the 11th of August, which I'll do another video like I did the 215 giveaway. I'll actually do the randomizer in a video, put my phone pointing that right way so you can see it, and I'll post that video up, because I still might be very busy on the 11th of August, but I'll do a video. Yep, so subscribe to the channel, comment the hashtag, and you can win yourself a 220 clamp magnet.